Today we're going to be finding the surface area of triangular prisms. Personally, I think they're a little easier just because there's far less of rectangles, much easier to look at when it's made into a net. So let's say you're given a triangular prism that looks like this. You see you have your triangular faces in the front and the back. Those are going to be the same as each other. And the rectangles on this side that cover this side of the triangle and the ones that's covering on this side of the triangle. The rectangle on the bottom is going to be different from the others. So let's look at the area of the triangles first. Because these triangles are the same on both sides, that means the base of this triangle and the base of this triangle are the same, so they both have 4, and the height of both triangles is going to be 3. A little hard to read there. But let's just find the area of those triangles. The area of a triangle for a triangle is base times height divided by 2. The area of a rectangle is length times width. So let's find it. Of the two triangles, they both have the same area. So since there are two triangles, I'm going to do 2 times the area of the triangle, whatever the area of the triangle is. The base is 4. The height is 3. Base times height, 4 times 3. Divide by 2 is 6. So the area of both triangles is 12. The area of the rectangle is length times width. Let's look at this rectangle in the middle. The base of the triangle and the length of this rectangle here are the same. 4 times 9 is 36. There's only one of those rectangles, so it's just going to be 36 here in the middle. I'm just going to underline it so we don't get confused. And then that means these two faces are the same, the ones that connect on top. So since this triangle, this side of the triangle right here shares the width of the rectangle here, these are going to be the same. These are both going to be 5. But that 5 is not relevant to the triangle. We know that this is 5 times 9. There are 2 of these, 1, 2. 5 times 9 is 45. And this is 45 as well because they are the same on opposite sides. 2 times 45 equals 90. And then we can add the 36 from the face on the bottom of the prism. We add all of them up. 2 plus 6 is 8. 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 3 is 13. And then if, let's say, our units were centimeters, this would be centimeters squared. So again, I unfolded the triangular prism into its net, and I labeled everything that was necessary. The base is the triangles are the same on both sides, so they have the same area. So I'm going to multiply the area by 2 because there are 2 triangles. These two faces, this rectangle and that rectangle in the back there, are the same. So there are 2 times 45 because if this is 9 and this is 5, 5 times 9 is 45, 2 times 45 is 90. Then the bottom of the triangular prism, it is the base of this triangle times the width of this, the length of this rectangle here. 4 times 9 is 36. We add all 3 of those areas together. We have the area of the triangles, the 2 rectangles on the sides, and then the base of the prism.